Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aki from Aki's Place. Today I wanted to make a video about this light right here. I thought I'd do a video because nothing sponsored or anything, but I got Mossify's adjustable LED plant light. Because the grow light I have right now is kind of fire hazard and it's not really good. So I've been wanting to get this. They didn't have it in stock, and they finally restocked, so I just wanted to switch it to this one. So hold on, let me switch the camera. Okay, Wes, move. Okay, so let me show you. So this crocodile fern, I'm surprised I kept it alive. It's been 1 year, little over. This is called crocodile fern because it looks like a crocodile's skin. It's really dusty. Oh, yeah, it does. But I'm a little worried. This water has not. It's normally 1 week I have to fill it up. Wes, you're scaring the birds. But anyway, so this grow light is a clip, and this light itself doesn't get hot, but here in the base it gets really hot. And oops, okay, and you can see some of the leaves are burnt because it touches it here, and the leaves are burnt, and it's not really good for, yeah, it's a fire hazard and not good for plants, obviously. So let's change the light. Okay, so this plant doesn't get enough attention and it sits on top of the shelf. I never get to do anything but to water it, so it's covered in dust. So let me quickly just wipe down all the dust while I have time to do this. Yeah, there's a lot of burnt spot. Oh, maybe also from the
There was a lot of brown spots.
I know there's a lot of crispy spot. Maybe it's from either the burn or not enough water at one point.
Yeah.
But yeah, most of the brown one is from the. Wes, can you hand me the scissor, please? From the light bulb.
You're gonna cut off the brown?
Yeah, I don't want it, so I'm gonna.
So much.
And the leaves are so gorgeous. I found one split leaf, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it. This one is split into two. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. So cute. Okay, so this is the light. Lots of dust. So this plant grow light. Oopsie. Come with the clip and what do you call it? Where you could also stick it in the soil and clip it onto it. And the light looks like this.
That's a cold.
So it goes like this, and then the length is
And then I can heal
adjustable, which is great.
And then I
Okay. I'm gonna. Let's stop. So let's put it on the opposite side where it wasn't getting a lot of light this time. So this side. There's a clip that you could secure it onto the pot. And I think height.
knock that over. Wes,
please don't. Please don't. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Get it a little bit lower. Yeah, this is awesome. This is so much better and looks so much nicer actually. So this is how it's gonna look, and I'm gonna put it back and show you what it looks like. It also has a timer. I don't think I would need it because mine's connected to, I plug it into the smart plug, so it normally turns on from 7:30 to 8. Okay, let's try. Okay, so now the ferns are like up, so I don't really like, I wish they go down the trail down, but yeah, it looks great. I like it so much better, and I don't have to worry about leaves being burnt again, so I love it. As you can see, you can clip it. There's on this side, there's where you stick into the soil, and you can clip it into the secure onto the pot so it won't fall or anything. And you can adjust the height, which is great too. I hope my fern's gonna thrive more now that I have proper light, that it will get evenly on all the leaves. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll have a link for this product on my description if you're interested. So if you're interested, go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.